guys, it's Papa. We're going to be making a butterfly today. And what you need is a square piece of paper. Okay? So first thing you need to do is fold it in half like this. Oh wait, till you're done. Open it back up. Do it the other way. So, like this. Then take two, but they have to be across from each other. Fold them in. Take one hand and squish it down like this to make a triangle. Turn it upside down. Take this end, take all of it, and put it down like this. Don't actually make it like this. Make it a little bit back like this. And do the same for the other side. You see? And then turn it back over like this. Take this end, turn it down. Wait, hold on. But leave a little poking out. And then put that little bit that's poking out down here. Hold on. Down like this. And then move your whole butterfly up the opposite way the butterfly is looking. Then you've got your own butterfly. Bye guys. See you later.